Food Safety Facts. Hi, and welcome to Food Safety Facts, your ultimate guide to safe and healthy eating. We are a team of food safety researchers and will be your host for this channel. Before we begin, let me tell you a bit about this channel. At Food Safety Facts, our goal is to educate and inform you about the importance of food safety and how you can make smart choices when it comes to what you eat. Every day, we make decisions about what we eat, but often, we don't think about the safety of the food we consume. From purchasing food to cooking and storing it, there are many steps we can take to ensure that the food we eat is safe and healthy. Our channel will cover a wide range of topics related to food safety, such as the correct way to store food, how to properly cook meat, and how to prevent foodborne illnesses, to name a few. We'll also share stories of people who have become sick from contaminated food, and provide you with tips on how to avoid similar situations. We'll also bring you the latest news and updates on food safety regulations and standards, so you can stay up to date with the latest information. Our mission is to make sure that you have all the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions about what you eat, and to help you and your loved ones stay healthy and safe. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and join us on this journey to better food safety. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.